You remember what most outlets or switches have on here? There's little ears here. There's one that comes up here like Mickey Mouse ears. One there, one down there, one over here. Well, those had to be taken out because this box is a cut-in box. It's got the ears on the outside of the sheetrock, and it's got a little cubby area there, inset. So you cut these ears off. That way when you push that in, this goes flush with that, see? Like that. If I had the ears left, this is going to stick out. When I put the cover on, the cover's not going to be tight up against the sheetrock. Okay, so that's my next step. I have to get the new timer out and take those ears off. And I'll show you that next. That's all I got for this time. And I'll be back with more videos.